Hi, good morning, children. Welcome to another beautiful Monday, a very beautiful week. So, what is today's date? All of you are very smart. You already know the date since you're writing it every day. You all know it, right? Yes, today's date is the 9th of November 2020. Okay? Now there is some magic and all is going to happen. Just you saw changing of this date alone, right? Once it becomes 30 days, you see that again it goes back to 1. And this also will serially increase. The month will increase from 11 to 12. Once we reach 12 months, you know what will happen? Again it will go back to 1. Don't go to 13 because we have only 12 months, and after that this is also going to change. You've never been changing this for a long time, right? The year 2020, you will be changing it to the next number. What comes after 2020? After 20? 21. So 2021 will come. Okay, we just have to wait for another 2 more months and you'll see the change happening. Let's be on the watch out for that. Okay, now let's go to our class. Today's class, we are going to learn a new set of blend from the blue series. It's called Kr. Kr. Okay, you would have come across this sound maybe in the beginning or in the end or in between. Okay, for example, I have written down few. Shall we try and read? Okay. Well, one thing what comes to your mind when you say Kr? It comes with your biscuit. What is it? What kind of biscuit do you like? Cream biscuit? Very good. Or ice cream? So when I say cream, do you hear Kr in that? Yes, that is the Kr we are talking about. Okay, that's a new blend where K and R are brought together and blend together to bring the sound Kr. 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 It becomes like more or less like one sound. Kr. Okay? Okay. Now let's see one by one the reading part. First one. Whatever is underlined in orange, you are going to read it as one sound. Kr. Ab. Kr. Ab. Crab. You know the crabs. Yeah. The one that crawls in the seashores. You would have seen it. Yes. And it is also, what kind of animal are they? Mollusk? Okay. Next one. Kr. Op. What is it? Kr. Op. Crop. Good. What is a crop? Crop means what the farmer grows. You've seen the farmer, he's got a large field in which he will be either growing rice. So that crop is called paddy. Okay? Or there may be another farmer will be growing another crop called like your corn. Okay? That is also a crop. Or they may be growing wheat. You make chapatis out of wheat. So he may be growing this crop called the huge plantation that he has for the particular grain is called as a crop. So it can be rice crops, it can be maize or corn, or it can be wheat. Okay, such things are called as crop. Okay, that is what a farmer grows, crops. Next one, Kr-ib. Crib. Crib is those of you who have had babies at home, baby brother or baby sister, you would have noticed that when they were little, mommy used to put them inside one small total. Yes, the one which stands without rocking and all. That is called as a crib. What is it called? Crib. Okay, it's not a cradle, it's a crib. The one which can rock is called as a cradle, but the one which stands just like that without any movement is called as a crib. So if mommy wants to go and do her work or something like that, she can put the baby inside the crib. It will be spacious for the baby to, sleep, to get up, to look, but it cannot go out of the crib. So the baby is safe inside it, is it not? Crib. Some of you who know that during Christmas there will be something called Christmas crib also. That is also crib, where they keep the statues of Jesus and Mary and all the shepherds and sheep and the kings. They all put together like one scene, the Christmas nativity scene, the birth of Jesus. That scene will be created there. That is also called as a crib. But for you to remember, please remember the baby's bed. Yeah, the one in which it goes to sleep, in one in which gets up and sit and plays and all is called as a crib. Okay, crib. Next one, or those, if you, maybe your own crib will be lying at home. Go ask your mummy. Now go check your photos also. There will be photos of you sitting inside a crib, wanting to come out of the crib. Okay, and you'll be cribbing. Why have you put me inside? Why did you keep me inside? Okay. Next one. Sh. See, this has to be read together. What is this? S and H together. Sh. Remember, right? We'll do the revision of it, don't worry. Sh. Crash. Crash. What is the meaning of crash? Coming into a collision like that. Yeah, hitting, if let's say two cars are coming and they crashed into each other. Okay, crashing. Or let's say you have built a tower, okay, with some building blocks you do. By mistake somebody moves and it comes crashing down. Crash. Okay, that's called crash. Crash. So you can hear cr when I say crash. Next one. St. Here also you have to read it together. St. Just now we learned a blend, no? St words. Crust. Crust. Crust is when mummy takes out the loaf of bread. Can you see that, on top there is a brown layer? Yeah, a nice bread will be maybe brown bread or it may be a white bread. But on top of it there will be a more brownish color and that will be very hard. Is it not? So sometimes when you are making sandwich, we will cut off that crust. That is called as a crust. That brown covering which is coming on top, right? That is called as a crust. Crust is generally a little harder. Okay, even a cake, when mummy is baking a cake, you will see that on top one nice brown crust will be formed. The dark brown crust. So that layer of the thing which is formed on top of the cake or on top of the bread is called as a crust. And it will be little thick or it may be harder. Okay, crust. Crust. Next one. Craft. This is also a blend only. Now let's try and say craft. Craft. Where have you heard craft? Do I have to tell you what is craft? Craft is your art and craft. So making things out of paper or out of thread or out of any material, something nice and beautiful to look at is called as a craft. Your own handmade craft. Okay, craft. Next one, cram means something all pushed together into a place. It's all crammed inside nu solluvaanga. Seriya? Sometimes on days where you are taking your homework books home, you will put your homework book, you will keep your lunch box, you can keep your napkin, you will keep your clothes, your second set of clothes, spare clothes, everything, and your bag may be crammed inside. Is it not? Yes. So we call it cram. Particularly if your bag is small, so many things will come inside your bag. cram, and it will be crammed inside. Cram. Next one is crag. 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 Crag is nothing but pieces of stones falling from one big rock. You've seen the mountains, there will be big rocks in it, right? But from that big rocks, smaller rocks break and fall. Those small rocks, not very small, big rocks also will be there. Big rocks, and all those rocks falling from that is called as, from that big mountain rock is called as a crag. Okay, it's called a crag. It's for you to help you to learn words for reading. Chariya? If you come across crag, you have to just remember it. If you don't come across, it's okay. If you forget also, it is okay. I just want you to keep reading. Okay? So let's go through the words one more time. Crab, crab, crop, crop, crib, crib, crash, crash, crust, crust, craft, craft, cram, cram, crag, crag. You know what is a crab already? I told you crop is what the farmer grows. It can be paddy, wheat, corn, and the chedigal. That is called as crop. So when you go by bus or train to your hometown, you will see the crop fields. Okay? Next one. Crib. Crib is the bed in which the baby sleeps. Then crash, the collision. Okay? Next one. Crust. Crust. That covering, the brown covering on the bread or on the cake. Crust. Then craft. Craft. Your art and craft. Cram. Cram. Too many things inside a place where it's called as being crammed. Crag. Pieces of rocks. Okay. This is for your homework for tomorrow. Okay. But let me tell you that I have a feeling like your Monday's load is very easy. So henceforth you can try and do little bit of your homework today itself. Because Monday's workbook you are finishing off like just like this, no? So you do a little bit of your Tuesday's work on Monday also. Okay. Maybe you can write 2 lines. So that tomorrow when you are writing your language, you can, you need to write only another 2 lines of it. Okay, just do half of the work. Will you try and do half of your notebook work, homework work? Please do it on Monday itself. Monday உங்களுக்கு வேலை கம்மியா இருக்கு. Okay, next one. Sight words, just reading. Okay, I have not written all of it, but just few. We'll just try and read it. What is this? Y-O-U. Y-O-U, U. I am Miss Juno. He is Tishant. He is a sweet boy. She is Anne. She is a cute girl. We are super cool. The children are very hardworking. The children. T-O, this is the one which I gave you last week. What is this? To. Give it to me. To. Next is do. Where do you want to go? Do you know that today is a Monday? Do you know? Do. Okay. So this is for you to just read through. I hope you are doing your reading at home every day before going to sleep. Okay. Now let me just show you what you have in your workbook. In your workbook, you today have only 2 pages, 30 and 26. Okay, and even for your homework that you do tomorrow, I have given you lesser words only, because we have Diwali coming up and I know you will have a lot of shopping to do. So you want to spend more time shopping, going with mommy. So I am keeping the load less in this week. Okay, you won't have too much of work. You can also do little bit of homework today itself, half of it today. Okay, can help your mommy. She'll have lot of cleaning to do. In page number 26, we have Z word. Z. 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 Children, you must also know the name of these letters. Okay. For example, it is ZIP. So you must know this, because the next school that you are going to, they may not be talking to you in phonics. You will be able to read, you will be able to write on your own, but possibly the teacher will be telling only ZIP. So you should also know the name, which we started in the beginning of the year, right? When we started M2, we started by learning the name. So please also practice the name. Okay, now itself you should start. Okay, so let's try and read the word bank. Zip, 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 zip. Can you see a zip anywhere? The zipper that comes on your pants or on your frocks? There it is. It will be there in the bags. Yes, zip. Next one. This can be a little tough for you. Again, I told you some words may not be phonetically right, so you have to try and identify with the letters also. Okay, now onwards that starts. So this says it is the zebra. Zebra. This has the A sound. A. And here E is sound. The sound E is sounded as E. Okay, zebra. Can you see a zebra? There it is. Next one. Z-oo, double O, the long oo. Zoo. Where is the zoo? Right here. Animals in the zoo. Next one is zig, zag, zig, zig, zag, zag, zigzag. Can you see zigzag lines here? Yeah. So write against it. If you have time, you can color. You don't have to color the zebra. On page number 30, we have the word blend that we learned today, which is cr. Okay, so I'll just tell you the names of the pictures. You have to read the letters in the word bank and then put it in its place. Okay, that's the crib in which the baby sleeps. Do you have a crib at home? Your old crib in which you used to sleep? Okay, then that's the crab. Crab. Okay, and that's the crop. I think that's wheat crop. Crop. The farmer grows a crop. And these are pieces of rocks which I told you are called as crag. Crag. So practice this today. Because you are writing it just only 2 pages and very little to do, you can start your homework today itself. Okay, so that tomorrow onwards you can make your work lighter. You have to relieve mummy for Diwali duties. So that is all for today. And since Diwali is round the corner, I know that all of you are looking forward to a lot of colors and lights. So enjoy the time with your parents, helping them, okay, making nice diyas, painting diyas, or cleaning up the house. You know, we actually started learning how to clean, right? One day only we did, I think. We just started somewhere in the month of March. We were planning to clean up the material. So I told each of you take one material, whichever you like, and you're going to clean. So one person took and went all the pink tower and they were cleaning with Dettol. Remember? You went and did a Dettol cleaning for each of the material. So yeah, it's your house of children means you should only take care of it. Every day me and Saranya miss and Lakshmi aunty helps in cleaning the materials. Then we thought that children also can do their part. So we told you once in a week we must do, but somehow it happened only 1 week after that the corona leave came. Okay, so like that at home, get your sponge, get your wipes in your hand and start cleaning up things at home. You can clean the doorknobs, the windowsills, the TVs, okay. So take permission from mommy, and what mommy asks you to clean, that only you should clean. They don't know that you all enjoy cleaning. Yeah, I remember how much you were happy, how happy you were to do all the cleaning. Okay, so just help them around in all the cleaning. Okay, see you all in another video. Until then, bye bye.